Welcome to this Te Kākano video tutorial on how to plant native plants to give them the best chance of survival. You might have planted before, but this is what works best for Te Kākano. Please take the time to do it well. Firstly, dig a hole that is deeper and wider than the pot. Check that it is the right depth by placing the plant in the hole and making sure that the top is a finger's length below the ground. Add a capful of fertilizer into the hole. Squeeze the pot to loosen the plant and then gently remove it. Tease the roots and place the plant into the hole. Backfill around the plant. Use vertical fingers to compress the soil in layers to prevent air pockets around the roots. The plant should sit below ground level, like in the bottom of a bowl. To check the plant is packed in tightly enough, do a tug test. The plant should stay firm when you gently tug the base. This plant here needs more packing, which can be seen by the way it moves on the tug test. On sloping ground, build a dam on the downhill side to help retain water. Place the weed mat around the plant. Gently lower the guard over the plant. A helper is handy here. Secure with stakes and use the mallet. Do a wiggle test. If loose, add more support. If you would like to make this harakeke plant guard, check out our YouTube tutorial on how to weave a guard in the description. Use 1 bucket of mulch to create a ring around the base of the guard. Keep it away from the stem to prevent stem rot. The planting is now complete. Kia ora, thank you for planting with us.